This is the Starline Pro. If you want to take it for a service, you obviously don't want to give them the code or the phone. When they put it in gear, you don't want it to cut out like it's just done. So you want to put it in service mode. Easiest way to do that is with your phone connected in the Starline Key app. So we'll just go into this phone, go into the Starline Key, press and hold on here. This green circle will turn yellow. When it does, let go and we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. So now next time someone gets in the vehicle, obviously from Audi, you've given them the key. You don't need to give them a code or a phone. Put it in gear, vehicle remains running. To take it out, do the same reverse, press and hold back to green. We get 2 bleeps and the vehicle's secure again, out of valet mode. This can also be done with the buttons. Here we'll turn the ignition on, disarm it with our code. Receive a disarm tone, now go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, using any button we use for the code. Ignition off, back on, 2 bleeps, and now it's in service mode. To take it out, simply ignition on, pop your code in, get 2 bleeps. System's back out, vehicle's protected. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit.